Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen. Now, looking into the price under the Ethereum token, it is 6 zeros and a 2-2. Yesterday's video, I said I was 100% confident that we were going to see a bounce simply because of the RSI telling me so. The RSI was on the oversold territory, which whenever the RSI hits below the white dotted line right there, usually 90% of the time, 90 to 99% of the time, it always bounces back into this purple shaded color. So you see back here, it was on the oversold and it bounced upward and it got a really strong bounce. So now that we are seeing this right here, I don't know if it's probably going to curl back down to the oversold, but if it does, we're going to bounce up. It's like pretty 100% confirmed we're going to bounce right back up. The lower this goes, like into the depths of the RSI, the stronger the bounce of the Zen token price will be. Like for example, way back here, it hit all the way into the 20 and then we ejected all the way up to the 80 mark and it ended up rallying really hard. So just keep an eye on it right now. I don't recommend selling your Zen at this price. Always just hodl, diamond hands, the whole entire Zen market and any chain, hold on to them because whenever Ethereum and skyrockets and does really good, typically the rest of these Zen tokens end up following along. So be patient, keep mining, keep minting, and I kept saying mining, but talking about that, Solana Zen is finally out. Their tweet was sent out not too long ago. I don't have it pulled up, sadly, but Jack sent out a tweet saying that it's ready to go. It's out there. People are already mining the blocks on Solana Network. 420 is the magic number. People are literally flooding into the Solana blockchain. I feel bad for it. As of right now, I haven't seen anything like clogging up the network, or I don't even know the Solana gas fees, how much it impacted wise. He literally just announced it, so I have yet to look at the stats for it itself. I hope we just shatter the Solana network. To be honest with you, we got to test its limits. I want to see how awesome the Zen community is whenever it comes to a new network. We always tend to do really good on all the chains whenever it comes to mining. So the fact that we are now into another blockchain or another network, it seems like, you know, it's taking over in all of the aspects. Like literally in the most trending, the most used token, Zen is going to be up there. And whenever people do the research about blockchains and tokens and whatever network they are in, no matter how much research, even if it's the little amount or a big research quantity amount, Zen will be up there and it will pop up on your research, and it's going to bring in new eyes. It's going to bring in new investors, minters, claimers, stakers, burners, everything. It comes up to the just how many eyes can Zen bring, and that's big whenever it comes to exchanges, listings, you know, a lot of partnerships and so on and so forth. So now we'll see what happens. I'm very hyped about this. Now, if you're curious about how to get Solana Zen on here, there is a zen.pub forum. Luckily, someone made this thanks to Zensu, and shout out to the whole entire community that made this possible. This is out there. I saw it on Twitter thanks to Tree City West. I saw a YouTube video about him as well, and it pretty much guides you about how to get started and do all that stuff. And the GitHub link is also here for you to connect and download the zip file. I have yet to do so myself, but it looks like, looking into the Solana scan, the Sol scan, people are going ham on this. Like, it's crazy. This is crazy. Right before I pushed recording, this was at 20 million, I want to say. Minutes into the video, we are now at 70 million.6 is the current supply. Wait to give it 24 hours. Of course, we'll already be, in my opinion, in a billion, give or take. And people are already minting away. You do have to use like your mining gear and stuff like that, your GPU, CPU, from my understanding. My PC can do it. If you have access to all of this, which majority of you guys do, I would recommend doing so. You do have to install certain stuff, have it running. I'm going to do so and hopefully have a good YouTube video for you guys to do it. I've just been all over the place, man, because of the storm, the damage it went through, the whole entire trees coming down, and then my brother-in-law also got an accident last night, midnight. So he's good. The BMW he was driving got totally destroyed. I don't know how he survived that, but he's good, man. I'll probably be posting a picture of the car on my Twitter page here shortly, so go follow me on Twitter in case you're curious about how that crash ended up looking. I'll post it on there, a picture or two, and that way you guys can see. You know, I'm trying to take care of you guys, whether it be you guys just watching the video, whether it be just investing, or you guys just going outside on vacation, man. Be very cautious, be very safe. I care about every single one of you guys. I love you all. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And I try my best to take care of y'all and be honest and transparent. Whether it's a partnership, an airdrop, a referral link, or whatever, I try my best to put it out there and be honest with you guys, because you guys deserve transparency and honesty and everything. And I just want to grow together. So click the like button, subscribe, comment down below. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm going to continue pushing videos every single day, man. I'm going to push, and I don't care how much hate Zen is going to come along. I don't care how many hate comments, how many people start talking trash on Twitter. You know, the bigger you get, just the more hate. That's just how it is, man. So I do encourage those of you that want to come into the Zen community and do content, make it, man. 1-2 videos that you upload will literally do a big impact. It will bring 1-2 new investors into Zen. It will grow the community in general. So, guys, we are a family. We got to take care of each other. Maya's still here. Come here, Maya. Come here, baby. Say hey to the community. Look, Solana Zen is out. Can you believe that, baby? Say hey to everybody. She's turning 3 years old in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, somewhere around there. So it's great to see that the community has grown alongside with her and me, and in the videos, she's always right here just knocked out in this little bed of hers. And we're going to continue being together, man. I hope we're here for a very, very long time. Zen, in a few years, in my opinion, will totally change lives. He'll change Maya's life, right? I hope so, in a positive way. Just ignore all the hate, ignore everything out there. We're going to continue pushing video content, technical analysis, and all of the above, okay? Right, Maya? So thank you guys so much for watching. Do your research for the Solana Zen. Do your research for any token, all the meme coins that are out there. I'm going to be posting some more stuff on Twitter, so I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, take it easy. I'm out. Peace.